Green infrastructure designed for connectivity in the Villa Wetlands Wildlife Refuge. The parts of the exposition are Introduction, Study Area, Climatology, Physiography, Topography, Results and Discussion, and Conclusions. Introduction. Currently, Lima City has increased the use of automobile transportation. Due to population growth, these areas are being affected by productive activities or establishments in urban spaces in the neighborhood and by the incompatibility of land use in the region of the protected natural area. Using green infrastructure and its contributions to the resilience of territories, urban growth can represent a threat to urban green areas and an opportunity to recognize the contribution to human welfare and health, species protection, adaptation to climate change, and sustainable urban development. The need to review the process of uncontrolled urban growth with undesirable social and urban effects, severe climate events, and environmental hazards represent opportunities to implement innovative forms of planning and management, to contribute productively, to link the following urban challenges with the unrealized potential of green: protection of biodiversity, adaptation to climate change, increasing social cohesion, and promoting local economies based on a local and sustainable production. Study area. Pantanos de Villa is located in the district of Chorrillos, in the department of Lima, capital of Peru. It is the only protected area within the urban area of the city of Lima. Climatology. This area has a low rainfall throughout the year, and the winds that occur in the area go from south to southeast, which, together with the Peruvian current, produce the characteristic fog. The temperature during the summer ranges between 15 and 26 degrees Celsius, and during the winter between 14 and 19 degrees Celsius. Physiography. The area occupied by Pantanos de Villa has a flat or slightly undulating relief and an alluvial plain. It is surrounded by hills between 100 and 300 meters of altitude and a straight beach line, giving it very special microclimate characteristics of humidity, formed by a great number of water bodies, as a product of the infiltration and outcrop of subway waters that goes to the sea. Topography. About the topography of the district of Chorrillos, the Villa marshes are located within a flat depression between 1,530 hectares, between 0 and 5 meters above sea level, and surrounded by low hills between 100 and 278, as Morro Solar, Cerro Zigzag, and Lomo Corvina. In the figure 3, the origin of this area as the outcrops of underground water coming from the Rimac River basin and other sources such as lagoons, puddles, and muddy lands. In figure 4, we can see the contour lines of the topography of the study area is very important for the design of the connectivity infrastructure. Materials and procedures. In this present research study, to make the maps for the cycle track connectivity, we used the Geographic Information System with ArcMap, ArcScene, AutoCAD, Google Earth software, and the 3D design, the SketchUp software. In the first stage of the research, a general diagnosis of the current connectivity situation in the Pantanos de Villa Wildlife Refuge was made, identifying the geometric and hierarchical characteristics of the road network, conflicting intersections and crossings, vehicle congestion, parking deficit, means of transport, and urban transport network. Likewise, research was carried out on future projects to be implemented by the municipality of Lima. Results and discussion. The present investigation includes the implementation of cyclical connectivity in the Pantanos de Villa, as it can be appreciated in the figure. First instance, Maravilla circuit towards Alameda, Las Garzas. In this instance, the green design is proposed to connect these areas, implementing bicycle and pedestrian lanes. It can be seen that in the desert area and green corridor is proposed, which allows to regenerate the spaces for the recovery of green areas and generate microclimates for the improvement of environmental quality, as well as the regeneration of ecosystems. In figure 6 we can see the bicycle lane and the proposal for the Alameda Las Garzas. Conclusions. The green infrastructure achieves a better harmonization of the landscape in the Pantanos de Villa Wildlife Refuge, by which it improves for the neighbors and those who visit this area. The research hypothesis is fulfilled since it allows ascertain that the implementation of the bicycle paths will help the visitors to have greater accessibility to the areas, being able to consider the implementation of the present work as one of the best options to promote sustainable mobility using bicycle in the natural protected area. The bicycle network proposed in the area of Pantanos de Villa will allow promoting tourism in the natural area, considering that 3 circuits cross that you can appreciate the bird sightings. Thank you.